What is the Accumulation Distribution Indicator? The Accumulation Distribution Indicator, also called the AD indicator, is a technical analysis tool used in stock trading to measure whether money is flowing into or out of a stock. In simple words, it shows whether investors are buying or selling a stock over time. The indicator was developed by market analyst Mark Chaikin. The Accumulation Distribution Indicator combines price movement and trading volume. It helps traders understand the strength behind price changes. If a stock price rises with strong buying volume, it suggests accumulation. Accumulation means investors are buying and holding the stock. If the price falls with heavy selling volume, it suggests distribution. Distribution means investors are selling and exiting the stock. The indicator works by calculating a value called the money flow multiplier. This value measures where the closing price sits within the day's high and low range. Then it multiplies this value by trading volume. The result is added to a running total to create the AD line. When the AD line moves upward, it indicates buying pressure. When the AD line moves downward, it indicates selling pressure. Traders use this indicator to confirm trends. For example, if stock prices are rising and the AD line is also rising, the trend is considered strong. If prices rise but the AD line falls, it may signal a weak trend or possible reversal. The Accumulation Distribution Indicator helps traders identify hidden buying or selling activity before major price movements. However, it should not be used alone. Most traders combine it with other indicators such as moving averages or relative strength index. In simple terms, the Accumulation Distribution Indicator shows whether smart money is buying or selling a stock. Easy way to remember. Accumulation means buying pressure, distribution means selling pressure.